Hey, what's up folks? 10 Horse Monty here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm gonna mount my gimbal mount for my Lowrance Touch 12 unit that I have. It's pretty straightforward. You know, I'm doing mod videos on everything I do. Some of it will be useful to you, some of it maybe not, but we're gonna cover it because I thought this could help somebody out that's wanting to do this little upgrade. So I've got a ram mount ball here, and I need to put it on the side of my boat. One thing you need to remember is you're going to be laying fishing rods right here, and you don't want to mount it so low that your ram mount is in the way. I made that mistake on a different boat. So you want to bring it up high enough so that a rod will be able to slide underneath it. So before you mount your graphs, before you mount your gimbal mount, make sure to lay a rod down there and see how it's going to, you know, put it in basically real-time situation and see how it's going to lay. And if it's too low, try to get it up as high as you can. So let's go ahead and get this project going. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, now that I've found my position for this ball mount, is I'm just going to take this Sharpie and mark my little holes here. Pretty straightforward. Alright, we got that taken care of. Let's pick out some bolts, see what's going to work. Alright, I've got my bolts picked out, got my drill bit in. Here we go. Okay, let's see if all this fits. Looks good. I'm liking that. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down. I'm using these nylon insert nuts. They're really handy. Keeps you from having to use a lock washer, and it never backs off. They're a little more expensive, but they're worth it. Pretty solid. Ain't going nowhere. Let's put this mount on here and see what it looks like. There we go. It's gonna work. I'm gonna go get my graph and put it on there just to see what it looks like. That's gonna work perfect. Hey, if you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel and share them on Facebook and Instagram, social media. Appreciate you spending your time watching this. And if you're gonna mount a graph on the boat, think about those things I talked about. Make sure you got plenty of rod clearance so whoever's fishing the back of the boat is happy all day long. Till next time.